Thank you for having me on this beautiful show, the Eye Care Beyond the Clinic, with you, Dr. Khan. It's such an amazing thing you are doing. Great information for people to know. And I can categorically tell you as an esthetician that without your face, you don't have an identity. The face gives you identity of who you are. And the eyebrow, I like to call it a pillar of the face because it gives your face the structural definition that it has. Picture a face without an eyebrow, they definitely look weird. It also gives protection to the eyes because it's a little bit above the eyes. It gives protection to the eyes. So the eyebrow is something that is unique as well as very important to the facial structure, and we have to care for it just like we care for every other part of our body. We must not look at it as though it's nothing. It grows hairs. He needs to be taken care of. Number one method of taking care of your eyebrows, you have to keep them clean. Just the way you brush your teeth, and this is how you should scrub your face. And when you're scrubbing your face, you're washing your face, you should scrub your eyebrows, especially if you wear makeup and you have added some extra makeup on that part of your face. You should take extra time to wash them clean. The other thing we can do to take care of our eyebrows is to brush them and make them look good and fall in shape, because it gives a structural fitting to your face. The eyebrow grows and sometimes it can overgrow, but when you brush it out, you will know, okay, this hairs under here has grown, so I need to take them out. So you can just use the mascara brush, the dry mascara brush anyways. Just brush your eyebrows. You can add a little Vaseline. Some people add a little Vaseline or aloe vera gel if you want to take care of them properly. So we can also twist the eyebrows. Now, when the eyebrows are overgrown, you need to shape them, put them in shape. So one of the professional ways to actually put your eyebrows in shape is to twist them. A lot of people use a razor blade or shaving stick. No, those are actually not good. Tweezers are really everywhere in the makeup stores or in the supermarket. You could get tweezers and they're actually cheap and they're affordable. So you can get a pair of tweezers, but not everybody knows how to use tweezers. So you need to learn how to use tweezers to actually pluck the hairs that are overgrown from your eyebrow. We can add also another method of taking care of the eyebrows and making them look plumpy and bringing out the fitting. Because some people have a thin hairs on the eyebrows, they don't have much hairs on the eyebrows. You can actually tint the eyebrows. There is an eyebrow tint specially made for the eyebrows. It brings out the color, so you pick the color of your eyebrow, the color of your skin. It brings out the color on the it better makes it bolder. Yeah, it makes it bold and it gives a better fitting to your face. So you can actually tint your eyebrows. Some people wax their eyebrows. Those are professional means of taking care of the eyebrows, and these things can only be done professionally. Please do not go and buy any wax and say you want to wax your eyebrow by yourself. If you want to wax your eyebrows, you have to meet an esthetician who is a professional in handling facials and can do these things for you. So you can actually wax your eyebrows maybe once in 6 months or once in a year. Then we can actually also thread the eyebrows. It's another means of taking care of the eyebrows. It's a unique and old-fashioned way used by the Asians, which the person has to be really, really good to do this thing. Another method of taking care of the eyebrows for those who don't have hairs, microblading is one big way of handling or taking care of your eyebrow. Microblading is a means or a procedure where pigments are added to the eyebrows, having shaped them and giving them the proper structure that fits the face. You add the pigments to the skin. It's more like a semi-permanent makeup. It lasts for like 2-3 years, and depending on the skin type or maintenance, it could last for 3 years. And this is only done by a professional. This method also is for people who cannot draw their eyebrows or who feel tired of waking up every morning and having to draw their eyebrows before they go to work. People who are lazy about makeup Another method of taking care of the eyebrow is hyena brows. It's more like the tint I mentioned earlier. It doesn't last long for like 2-3 weeks or a month, depending on the skin type or the pigment that is being used for the eyebrow. Another method of taking care of the eyebrow is by having to, the usual normal eye pencil. You draw the eye pencil and you just go on. So those are the few ways I know as a professional that you can take care of your eyebrows. Thank you.
Wow, I must say this have been very, very educative for me and I guess also for our listeners. So we have other interesting questions coming up. I just decided to have care on its own and then the other questions will follow. And we're going to be looking at things that you should note when selecting an eyebrow product, the contraindications and possible side effects that could come with eyebrow products that you should take note of. And then maybe worst case scenarios that our guest speaker might have encountered in the course of our practice. Don't forget, next week we're going to be looking at the functions of the eyelid. So please stay with us. Thank you so much, Vera Nicholas. You've been such an amazing guest. Please, please, please don't forget to like and follow the page so you don't miss out on the amazing series that will be coming up. I remain your favorite eye doctor.